and welcome to another exciting edition of Ghana Grows Edwuma, the program that seeks to highlight opportunities in the agriculture and ATVET sectors. We aim to inspire and empower young people to take up meaningful jobs in these vital sectors of our economy. I'm your host, Araba Kumsin, and as you know, Ghana Grows Edwuma is part of the Ghana Grows program, an initiative of MasterCard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. Well, today we're coming to you from the heart of Accra. There's a lot of hustle and bustle around me, and one thing I've observed is that there's a lot of men working here, male-dominated jobs, and that's the question we're asking today. Why some jobs are male-dominated? Is it as a result of our culture, or are men better suited for such jobs? Let's find out.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it.
Biological differences may influence the kind of jobs that men and women perform. Some jobs require heavy lifting and extreme strength and may be only suitable for men. But what about taxi drivers or driving a taxi? That really does not require a lot of strength, does it? When was the last time you saw a female taxi driver? Is it culture or is it biology? We've been speaking to some taxi drivers for their thoughts on this particular matter. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hello, madam.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Okay. For how long now are you taxi Edwuma?
Mr. Fisas Edwuma, 1978.
Since 2013.
Me Kakra, no, the year that was 1997, I started taxi driving.
What does it take to become a taxi driver? Is it just a matter of just sitting in a car and driving a car?
Oh no, taxi driving is not a matter of just being in the car, but at least you should also have a plan. There are taxi drivers who move around. So if you move around, you have to look at the timing of moving.
Okay.
You can't just move around. Okay. Otherwise, you will burn all your food.
Yes.
So you have to look at the time.
Okay.
Maybe school children have closed. After school, people used to take dropping.
Okay.
Or early in the morning, people who are going to work, they will take taxi.
I see. Then I hear in Nigeria about a Edwuma.
Oh, Edwuma ni dear. Nema me niji wo Edwuma no. Me sa koma no. Emma me to meet the bishop Luciano. Member Edwuma e bi enye krapo na ene amebusa for bedi. And you dear mama ni so. Emma Edwuma nti Edwuma na me and me proud one.
I see. Francis, Pacho, when who oba oye a taxi driver na oye mechanic na bibisa mason. When who be that?
Pacho me hu oba a taxi driver. Oni oye Edwuma legon. Taxi ranko.
For me, I haven't seen a woman driving taxi before. But I've seen women who drive Uber.
One say a system no Ghana ha no. Men kakra no taxi driver men hu one. Oba no drive taxi driver. But no kwa na ya ban car or the buy for work and pay. I mean say oba ebeji bia na odi Edwuma.
Aye man no almost drive taxis ni bia na.
Yeah, oba bia ni wa.
Hey, I didn't say a man to me drive cars. I didn't know I'm drive taxi.
About to me drive taxi. Mama oba bi car taxi that was Tommy Johnson.
Okay.
I have to know crowd. Car taxi still.
But I didn't know a man pay on pay taxi driving sir.
Every one say be Edwuma na be susuru.
Almost road then.
Say be an robe na abiva bi take omo.
Okay, at first the taxi work is quite risky. And I think women doesn't want to expose themselves to danger.
Beginning, no. I will fund this share. Mbano musa omu de kitchen or say omu yeden. Omu ko. Nti unze iziansi no yasine kunenim. Nti mbano be hu say no, ne bema eye no mba betuma ye no. Na ma omu de omu start say omu ehim.
Oh, and I may once and last year can make us say, I had no as a shed and year culture, say, be a Bobby to me ride into taxi. It is a be this is the time or Bobby to ride taxi more. A year good.
Into what unia oba na a oba ever catch or say, that me per semi a taxi driving a Germany be then I'll be catching.
Oh, maybe to miss in the coin. because be or share ni papa the papa go adwuma den sa corner no de won say adwuma papa enti so no ba na ka so pe so ye me adwuma ni bia me ma no more vim the obetumi ide on so betumi gina pinti wo adwuma no mo enti me timi nsi ne kwan say ma ne ye
oh me ka yan sa adwuma no adwuma na good wa o tia say adwuma we say o keep skapa e ye che o ti bango
Sa.
oh
Chechemu chen.
oh ye de bia ye hu scanning him
Aha.
o tia say na bia ye hu scanning
Yes.
ɛyɛ mbɛma nko ana bibia ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ mmaa nso betumi ayɛ.
You know, times are changing, and as women, we can do just almost everything that the men are also doing. So don't let, you know, your fear of what society will tell you or judge you about hold you back. You can also be a taxi driver and thrive at it. This is still Ghana Grows Edwuma. We'll be right back.
This be me, Kobe, aka Kobe Boga, KB for short. And this is my sweetheart, Obahima. Today, I get big surprise for her. Charlie, gone are the days I couldn't spoil my girl. Now I'm engaged to the woman of my dreams. Don't just look at my success. To get here, I had to follow the process. Out of nowhere, I lost my job. But I believe in humble beginnings. I got an idea that I knew I could grow. I started from a small setup, then invested in growing my own coconuts. I then grew my product lines. Now, I sell to many supermarkets in the country. Fellow young Ghanaians, trust the process and keep hope alive.
Take advantage of agri-business through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.
Most occupations in Ghana are traditionally male-dominated, such as masonry and carpentry. A lot of these jobs require physical strength, and it is perceived that most men are well-suited for such jobs. However, a job like an auto mechanic doesn't necessarily require physical strength, but yet it is male-dominated. So why is that the case? I'm here with Collins, who is in the auto mechanic industry, to share some thoughts on this. Hello, Collins. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's saying.
Okay,
all right. Collins, in part, I didn't do man
Ghana, most of Ghanaians in the front street, they do any but Palibota, and I mean, say, Nigeria for night I use.
I see. Palibita. Panel beater. Ayo bia or straighten cars into accident cars are dented and in your man now. Wow, that's interesting. I'm patching for now. If you
look at
Suffer line. Yeah. I see. Now, but Usiano na a mawa around almost Usiabi.
Mawa mechanical shop. Baby, I don't miss Yankasa de Oba, and I'm missing Oba.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Usia under Oba.
Let me see me dinner chibe two Oba.
Okay, no, she had the same thing.
The same thing.
Okay.
But Edwuma will know acquire Edwuma Edwuma.
Okay.
It's about sometimes a bishop or montation Edwuma. It's a spraying working Diana most of Mbano Musia.
Inti when conform say Edwuma beat to say we, you know, a meme Edwuma, only Omobeya Adriana.
Yeah, Edwuma with the meme Edwuma.
Into Oba girl. Eba on China or catcher say that a John way na mpesa me ya then I'll beka.
The mega channel say metunufo because yeah Juma we there. We say obetimi esua there but Juma betumi bi no ontimi fanye na Juma. But you ba mechanical shopper you onyuma bebra e ma so betimi esua. E bit say electrical work, electrician and spraying work. Mechanical work is obetimi sometimes e ma dey on say dirty work all your honest no money intino even on my man so stand cause outside but electrician spray inside in there and maybe mesua
nti anka enye physical strength na ohia e dey adwuma na anka obeka say ombra be adwuma
yeah.
So that was Mr. Collins. He's a straightener, or what they describe as, or what we've come to learn as a panel beater. A panel beater. They straighten the bumps and scratches on your cars. And he says, women can do it too. You just need to have a lot more physical strength. So don't let it hold you back. Young women listening to me. This is Ghana Grows Edwuma. We'll be right back. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pachet saying.
Boko.
Pachet within the saying.
Asmail Abubakar.
Okay. Bram Pachet, a day important now where you are.
I'm your auto electrician.
And then a mau share Juma way. Out of all the Juma I want, I didn't know way potting and now person.
Oh, when Tamana Miko school, no experience or we before the Juma way.
I see. The Juma na boa pa.
Our boy me pa. My toss I say Sifie.
Oh,
yeah.
Where's Sifie? Yeah. I know you're a big man, pal. Charlie, I see. But me who say Juma way a mappy anyhow. I didn't hear.
I want to say auto electrician. When you're smart, I want to be auto electrician.
Okay.
Because it's a very dangerous on the car.
Sir, I didn't na chechemu then na say we answer na.
Because it will say no. We ejabetimatum.
Okay.
We least mistake.
Okay.
Ejabetum.
Okay.
Ejatum sudia. Problem. And it's when you're smarter, with me so auto electrician.
Oh, I see. Inti quite dangerous. Inti na a man on to me, but so we who a man we auto electricians da. Ana.
Do me who be da.
Who be da. No. But some bet me sia, almost bet me sia.
I bet my sia, mo bet me who be da. Bet my who sprayer, my who fitting. Bet auto electrician me who be da.
Simpacho, e ma omo show se sia. Omo tie se sia. Omo feel so bet me aye juma we e den poten and e den futuo na ode be mom.
Oh, some we already say sua ko dia o bet ma ba. Because say we watching so baby be there obey. That's the right thing.
Inti apart from focus no e den biom no omo hia say on be sua ejuma no.
Any abotre.
Yeah. Focus any abotre.
Focus na abotre.
Hello, it's saying.
I'm Edwuma, madam.
You from saying?
What's your friend Rashad?
Rashad. Na den juma na oye.
What's your here? Akwelda.
Akwelda. Inti Akwelda na e den cheche mu mai.
What's your metal ho juma?
Metal ho juma. Inti den na moye.
What's your gate? And a burglar proof doors, windows, and then one kick on.
Gates, burglar proof doors, windows, any containers. Oh, okay, I see. Na me who say a member P ewa ha den tin e ma enia.
Oh, we juma we dey shada under from to on say man on shada mpe juma e den san.
Sa.
But
Into pa che say hu Akwelda ye obada.
Oh, omo won so mon shada ndo so.
Na e ma na omo ye sa Akwelda ejuma we. Aden tin na omo ye sa ejuma no.
Oh, omo won so mon shada ndo so e ba ko bi omo ni eden kakra no. Omo na timi ye.
Into pa che say e ma betimi aye ba o say omo ni eden.
Yeah.
Inti e ma na omo hwe a mo feel so omo betimi aye den na obeka achom.
Oh, me ka cham so mon shede no ejuma no eden den so fomu a betimi fomu afi.
Okay, with that if you Rashad. In the Ghanaian society, there are traditional expectations of the roles and responsibilities of both men and women. Jobs that require physical strength or are seen as more demanding may be culturally designated as men's work, whilst caregiving jobs are often associated with women. But why should that always be the case? In the next episode of Ghana Grows Ejuma, we'll be asking some women why they don't venture into male-dominated jobs. I'm your host, Araba Kumsin, and this program is part of the Ghana Grows program, an initiative of MasterCard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. Remember, you can join the show by dialing *718 *50#, or you can call the Springboard call center on 0308 255 775. Always remember, Ghana Grows, Hope Day.